To achieve perfectly tender pork, consider various techniques such as brining, using a meat mallet, applying a dry rub, marinating, or using meat tenderizer. For brining, measure how much water is needed to fully submerge the pork. Then create a brine with water, sugar, and salt, adding any desired seasonings for extra flavor. Refrigerate the brine and soak the pork for the appropriate time based on the cut, ranging from 12 hours for chops to several days for larger cuts. After brining, rinse the pork and proceed to tenderize using a baking soda brine, a meat mallet, or a dry rub. Marinating is also effective. A classic marinade might include olive oil, garlic, brown sugar, and spices, while you can also create a simple teriyaki marinade option using soy sauce, red wine vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, spices, and honey. Finally, lightly sprinkle damp pork with meat tenderizer for additional tenderness. Each of these methods enhances the flavor and texture of your pork, ensuring a delicious outcome.